As a recently sent-off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain, yearnfinance is otherwise called yearn for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Formally sent off on July 17, 2020, by Andre Cronje, yearnfinance is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is additionally known to be a stage that augments income acquired through advanced resources by yield cultivating. Examine this view before we start with itemized EFI cost forecast. More well known as the token yearn, yearnfinance has a developing fan following with a goal to augment yearly rate yields and is likewise eminent as AP for its renowned clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for a renowned decentralized project, yearnfinance tokens are used by clients as YUST, and EDI, while executing different exchanges like storing reserves, and so on. With the assistance of EFI tokens, clients can procure loaning charges as well as exchanging expenses. Under the umbrella of yearn, a large number of stablecoins get support viz. DAI, USDC, USDT, TUSD, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DIDX, and Curve, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Thus, we can incorporate different exercises of yearnfinance, with the most conspicuous ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital mechanized outlet for OV, and that of making vaults for acquiring and loaning needs, connected with savvy contracts. The vital classifications to pick above classes are fragmented under acquires app APR and vaults. It can be underlined that yearnfinance as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through curve finance, and simultaneously improving pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by yearn is overseen proficiently and successfully. The EFI token assumes a vital part here. At present, this advanced coin cost is around $21,565.58, with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24-hour exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40, with a coursing supply of 36,638 EFI. The ongoing cost of yearnfinance rises to $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost estimate for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our yearn.finance cost forecast, there is potential for EFI cost and show it might go on a higher opinion in the digital money market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a beneficial venture. According to our drawn-out cost expectation, the coin could get somewhat impacted by bears. However, we'll see the bull ride around 2024. And the coin might exchange between the maximum cost of $25,867 and the least cost of $22,299. In light of our information of yearnfinance stage and its EFI token shows that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. In the impending days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.935104112 following a year as indicated by our expectation framework and monetary administrations. The estimated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666 and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the primary portion of 2023, the yearnfinance going by cost expectations that bulls might be back, EFI's exchanging cost could ascend marginally higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. Also, henceforth, brokers ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or money management. EFI cost could fill triple in 6 years, among other virtual monetary forms say by 2026, it ought to have a reasonable assembly around $46,714, showing the least opposition level. Established as of late in February 2020, yearnfinance has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital money market. The previous year demonstrated remarkably sure for yearnfinance, regardless of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the final part of the year gone by, it got an incredible push, finishing the year 2020 with huge increase. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for yearnfinance, as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through, according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given beneath that portrays the EFI arrangement of hazard, as well as conjecture speculation situation for crypto market examination, in light of day-to-day diagram and market news, giving ascent and fall of yearnfinance DeFi token all-time excessive cost. All said and done, the EFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New associations would carry EFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of digital currencies like EFI, there could be conjectures of supernatural occurrences, there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a distortion that this valued cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, it's scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs, financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of EFI would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of digital currencies, however a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital money characterizes its costs and not its awe-inspiring beginning. How about we investigate the cryptographic money cost forecasts by which dealers can go with a legitimate choice to purchase yearnfinance. EFI price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no abrupt shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, EFI is good to go to avow areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all hindrances, scaling $28,910.64. How does EFI acquire esteem on the lookout? The credit goes to merchants. They have trusted in EFI accepting it would scale apex influencing the universe of cryptographic forms of money. EFI has stowed its certainty absolutely based on its legitimacy. EFI has demonstrated its guts against its rivals. Without a doubt yearnfinance would be worth brokers hard brought in cash. Where could I at any point purchase the EFI? All famous significant trades of the world convey the trademark presence of EFI. Consistent trades additionally provide you with the office of straightforwardly exchanging EFI DeFi token for fiat resources like United States dollars, euros, British pounds, and so forth or other cryptographic forms of money on many trades. Dealers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on EFI. How would you bring in cash with yearnfinance? One can say okay and negative. Is it true that you are watching the development of EFI on the trade fastidiously? You really want to do your own expected level of effort prior to exchanging or putting resources into yearnfinance. A convenient choice and a solid confidence are every one of the financial backer requirements and furthermore contribute post-perusing cost conjectures and doing risk-benefit examination. Is yearnfinance a decent purchase? Indeed.